Today we're diving into something absolutely insane, a machine that looks like it rolled straight out of a dystopian sci-fi movie and into a construction site apocalypse. This is the 2026 Cyberpunk Cat-branded monster pickup truck, a brutal fusion of industrial power and futuristic design that feels like it was engineered for the end of the world. First things first. Yes, this is inspired by Cat, short for Caterpillar Inc., the legendary American brand known for bulldozers, excavators, mining trucks, and machines that literally reshape the earth. Now imagine that DNA injected into a street-legal, high-performance, cyberpunk-styled monster pickup. The result? A truck that doesn't just dominate roads, it owns them. Let's start with the design because this thing doesn't whisper. It shouts. The 2026 Cyberpunk Cat monster pickup looks like it escaped from a futuristic battlefield. The body is angular, aggressive, and armored. Sharp geometric panels meet exposed rivets and industrial bolts. The paint, a signature matte graphite black with industrial yellow accents, the iconic Cat color scheme, glowing subtly under integrated LED strips. Up front, you get a massive illuminated Cat grille badge, flanked by razor-thin adaptive LED matrix headlights. The front bumper is reinforced with steel skid plating and integrated tow hooks rated for serious recovery operations. This isn't decorative toughness, it's functional brutality. The hood features vented heat extractors and transparent panels that subtly reveal mechanical components beneath, a nod to cyberpunk aesthetics. The windshield is slightly more upright than traditional pickups, giving it a commanding, armored vehicle stance. Moving to the side profile, this truck rides high, very high. We're talking about 40-inch all-terrain reinforced tires mounted on beadlock-style forged alloy wheels. The suspension system is a fully adaptive heavy-duty air and hydraulic hybrid setup, capable of raising the truck for extreme off-road clearance or lowering it slightly for highway stability. Ground clearance, nearly 16 inches at maximum lift. Water fording capability, over 36 inches. Approach and departure angles are optimized for rock crawling and extreme terrain use. The rear design continues the aggressive theme. A powered tailgate with reinforced steel core. Integrated work lights in the bed rails. And yes, this truck comes with a modular bed system. You can configure it for overlanding, construction equipment storage, emergency response gear, or even deployable camping pods. But let's talk power, because a machine that looks like this better back it up. Under the hood, the 2026 Cyberpunk Cat monster pickup offers two powertrain options. The first is a twin-turbocharged 6.7-liter V8 diesel engine producing approximately 650 horsepower and a mind-blowing 1,200 pound-feet of torque. That torque figure puts it squarely in heavy-duty territory. Towing capacity, around 20,000 pounds when properly equipped. The second option is even more futuristic, a tri-motor electric AWD system. Yes, fully electric. One motor in the front, two in the rear. Combined output, over 1,000 horsepower and instant torque delivery that launches this 8,000-pound beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. Let that sink in. A construction-inspired armored pickup doing supercar acceleration. The battery pack is estimated at around 220 kilowatt-hours, delivering a range of approximately 450 miles under mixed driving conditions. DC fast charging allows up to 80% recharge in under 40 minutes. And because it's CAT-inspired, this truck doubles as a mobile power station. Integrated 240 volts outlets in the bed allow you to power heavy-duty tools, compressors, welders, and even small construction equipment directly from the vehicle. Now let's talk capability. This truck isn't just about flexing on social media. It's built for serious work. The frame is constructed from reinforced high-strength steel with aluminum composite body panels to reduce weight. The underbody features industrial-grade skid plates protecting the drivetrain and battery pack. Four-wheel steering improves maneuverability in tight job sites or off-road trails. Advanced torque vectoring ensures traction even when three wheels lose grip. There's also an intelligent terrain management system with modes like rock, sand, mud, snow, tow, haul, and extreme. Braking is handled by heavy-duty performance brakes with massive ventilated rotors and multi-piston calipers, because stopping an 8,000-pound monster requires serious hardware. Step inside, and the cyberpunk theme continues, but in a refined way. The interior blends industrial toughness with luxury tech. You're greeted by a massive 17-inch floating central touchscreen paired with a fully digital 15-inch instrument cluster. Augmented reality navigation overlays directions directly onto a live camera feed of the road ahead. Seats are wrapped in rugged, weather-resistant leather with yellow contrast stitching. They're heated, ventilated, and feature massaging functionality. Even the rear passengers get premium treatment with reclining seats and dedicated climate controls. Ambient lighting glows subtly along the dash and doors, customizable in multiple colors. The dashboard design incorporates exposed metal accents and hexagonal patterns, reinforcing the industrial aesthetic. There's also a head-up display projecting speed, navigation, and terrain data onto the windshield. And yes, it includes full autonomous driving capability up to level 3, allowing hands-free highway cruising under certain conditions. Safety features are top tier. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and trailer sway control. One of the most unique selling points: integrated job site AI assistant. This system can analyze towing weight distribution, suggest optimal load placement, monitor equipment health, and even schedule maintenance reminders based on usage patterns. It's like having a digital foreman riding shotgun. Let's talk lifestyle appeal. This truck isn't just for contractors or construction moguls. It's built for adventurers, tech enthusiasts, and anyone who wants to drive something that looks like it belongs in a futuristic action film. Imagine pulling up to a campsite. You deploy the modular bed tent system. Activate perimeter LED floodlights. Power your cooking equipment from onboard outlets. Stream music through a premium 18-speaker surround sound system. That's next level overlanding. Or imagine rolling into a city at night. The angular LED lighting signature reflecting off skyscrapers. People stopping to stare. Phones coming out. This truck makes an entrance. Now let's address pricing, because a machine like this doesn't come cheap. In the United States, the estimated starting price for the 2026 Cyberpunk Cat branded monster pickup is expected around $95,000 for the diesel variant. The fully loaded tri-motor electric version, that could climb to approximately $135,000 to $150,000 depending on options and modular upgrades. Yes, it's premium territory. But you're not just buying a truck. You're buying industrial heritage fused with futuristic engineering. Compared to other high-performance electric and heavy-duty trucks on the market, this Cyberpunk Cat monster positions itself as a halo vehicle, something rare, bold, and unapologetically extreme. Maintenance is also engineered with durability in mind. Cat's legacy in heavy machinery means components are designed for long-term stress resistance. Service intervals are optimized for heavy-use environments. Fuel economy for the diesel variant is estimated around 16 mpg city and 22 mpg highway, impressive given the power output. The electric variant obviously eliminates fuel stops altogether, replacing them with charging convenience and home power integration. And let's not forget resale value. Limited production numbers, rumored to be under 20,000 units annually, could make this truck highly desirable in the secondary market. So who is this truck really for? It's for the entrepreneur who wants to stand out. It's for the adventurer who refuses to compromise. It's for the tech lover who wants cutting-edge innovation. And it's for anyone who looks at a normal pickup truck and thinks, that's just not enough. The 2026 Cyberpunk Cat branded monster pickup isn't subtle. It's not minimal. It's not trying to blend in. It's bold. It's loud. It's futuristic. And it's built like a machine that could survive the apocalypse. From its armored cyberpunk design to its monstrous torque numbers, from luxury interior tech to real-world job site functionality, this truck feels like the future of heavy-duty mobility. And if this is the direction trucks are heading, then the future looks powerful. Would you drive this cyberpunk beast? Would you choose diesel brute force or electric instant torque madness? Because one thing is clear, the era of ordinary trucks is over. The 2026 Cyberpunk Cat monster pickup has arrived, and it's rewriting the rules of what a pickup can be.